You closed your eyes for just a second. Then you looked at the clock. 3:17 a.m. Again. You tell yourself the same lie you told last night. Tomorrow I'll fix it. But tomorrow you wake up groggy, foggy, and exhausted, and you do it all over again. Meanwhile, someone out there is sleeping 5.5 hours, waking up before their alarm and attacking the day like their life depends on it. You think they're built different. They're not. They just understand something you don't, yet. It is not about how many hours you sleep. It is about how well your brain recovers inside those hours. Here's the truth. Every 90 minutes, your brain moves through a complete sleep cycle, from light sleep to deep sleep to REM. Deep sleep repairs your body, your muscles, your immune system, your energy. REM sleep sharpens your mind, your focus, your memory, your creativity. When those cycles complete cleanly, your body gets full recovery, even in 5.5 to 6 hours. But when your sleep is broken by stress, screens, caffeine, chaos, you can sleep 9 hours and still feel completely destroyed. So the goal is not more time in bed. The goal is more quality inside every hour. Start with consistency. Sleep and wake at the exact same time every single day, including weekends. Your body has an internal clock. Every time you respect it, it gets stronger. Every time you ignore it, it breaks down. Set your fixed window and protect it like it is your most important appointment, because it is. Next, plan your sleep in 90-minute cycles. Waking up in the middle of a cycle leaves you groggy and sluggish. Waking up at the end of one feels natural, so count backwards. 6 hours equals 4 clean cycles. 7.5 equals 5. Set your alarm based on cycle completion, not a random number you picked. Now, protect the hour before bed. This is where most people destroy their own sleep without knowing it. No screens, no heavy food, no work stress. Dim the lights. Write down what is on your mind. Stretch. Let your nervous system know the day is done. Recovery begins now. In the morning, do not touch your phone. Step outside. Let sunlight hit your eyes within the first 10 minutes. This one habit resets your entire internal clock, kills the leftover melatonin, and floods your brain with serotonin. You will feel the shift immediately. Then, move. Cold water on your face, 20 push-ups, anything that raises your heart rate. This is not optional. This is how you tell your body, we are awake, we are alive, and we are moving. Cut caffeine after 2 p.m. Make your room cold, dark, and quiet. Journal before bed to clear your mind. These are not small tips. These are the habits that separate drained people from sharp ones. Sleep is not weakness. Sleep is your most powerful performance tool. You do not need to brag about running on 4 hours. You need to wake up clear, focused, and ready every single morning. One day, you will open your eyes before your alarm goes off. Your mind will be calm, your body will feel ready, and you will realize you did not need more time. You just needed better recovery. That day starts tonight. Make the decision now.